Well, we're off to see the wizard for another couple days at Murtle Lake. Brought some friends along for the trip. Some friends. So far they're friends. We'll see if that continues for the whole 4 days. But weather could be rain, could be good. Let's just head off. Most of the way there. Let's see the lake. Just put the lines in. What's going on, buddy? They feel big, small, medium?
It's very tight
I would say what? 10 inches, 12 inches? You got, ooh, nice rainbow. Well, we made it to our campsite and it's getting a bit windy, so we set up camp and then it calmed down. And as you can see behind me, we got a storm coming through. So it's passing south of us right now. But if it keeps up at this rate, that's incredible, eh? If it keeps up at this rate, we're gonna get some clouds backing up and rain coming down. So I'll set you to watch the storm a little bit. I think you might enjoy that. So.
The rain stop the rain.
Well, we made it through the night. Unfortunately, our tent, a nice big Agnes tent, needs another waterproofing apparently because it was starting to drip through in the morning. We're loaded up. We got all the kids in this boat today and the gear in the other. And there's Miss Adventure right over there. We are heading up north. Hopefully the fishing will be good and you won't see my face again. Just fish.
So here we are, guys. No, wait. I got it. So here we are, guys. We are at Murtle Lake. It's beautiful up here. Yeah, here we are. We're gonna go down the lake.
So is that accurate or not? So Isaiah, is this fish number 2? You got it? Do you think you have a snag? Oh, if he's got a snag, then that's a big one.
I saw a fin.
What do you think?
It's a fish. Let me grab it. I can see its body.
Guys?
Smaller. Too small.
Did you have another one on or something? Oh, a little one. Look at that. What's happening again, Isaiah? Why are we stopping?
I'm catching a fish.
Whoa, you still got some fight to him.
Oh, nice. Where's the fat guy?
Yeah, he's okay.
What's he hooked to?
This schnauzel. See how easy it is when it's no barb on it? You're able to get it in and you didn't hurt the fish.
This is a really hard, struggling fish, for goodness sake.
You know, it's probably like an inch long or something.
Unless I caught it by the tail like I did once.
Uh-huh.
Oh, he's not a happy fish. Ooh,
Too bad. Go to the side of one of Isaiah's. You want to keep it?
Yeah, please keep it.
Okay, I've lost count, Isaiah. It looks like you're sleeping when you're doing that. Over here. It's a little one.
The fish.
What fish? You got a fish?
Not a fish.
I don't want to touch him if I don't have to. There you go. That's so Granddad can see. What you do?
Wir haben geschlafen in unser Betten.
This is number for me 6, I think. Except for the one where we got tangled.
What is this number, Jesse?
This is number 2 for me in the last, probably 10-15 minutes.
Oh, there he is. That's why.
Oh, he's tiny.
This one's mine.
And number?
6.
Yeah, that's definitely what we'd feed to the bigger ones. All right, fish 6, attempt number 3.
That's about right.
Okay. Let's see.
That was a little. It was good enough for no sugar.
So
God. So there's seeds.
all right, so we caught some trout and we are smoking it over the fire, barbecuing it over cedar wood and under cedar wood. Put cedar on top just to reflect the heat down. Now we're gonna take it off and heat it. It's Sunday morning and everybody else is asleep, so got up to make coffee and I'm gonna try to carve myself a wooden spoon. Let's see how it goes. So here is the almost finished construction of a spoon. I'm sure it will become a paddle and then will become handleless by the end of the trip. But what do you think, kids?
Looks like a spoon.
And we have quite the surprise for breakfast. See, when I pack, we get oatmeal. When Miss Adventure packs, we get bacon and eggs. That's why I bring her along. What are we having for breakfast?
Bacon and eggs wrapped with salsa. Basically, we're having bacon. I think the best is sort of like a corn.
That is one fantastic looking feast. And those are farm eggs, aren't they?
Yeah.
Oh, look at how orange those are. Who's excited for their morning breakfast?
Excited.
Excited? That's a cracking yolk.
That's right.
Excited.
Sorry for the morning pain. Oh, dad jokes, right? Bacon. What are you guys drinking over there?
Hot chocolate. Drinking chocolate.
What was that?
Hot chocolate. Drinking chocolate. Hot chocolate. Drinking chocolate. Hot chocolate. Drinking chocolate. Hot chocolate. Drinking chocolate.
Aha! Here we have the rest of the breakfast.
So Mr. Adventure and his wife show us new techniques to take down tarps.
Oh, quick release. She's fantastic.
Have you learned something?
The morning was fantastic. We had a delicious breakfast of bacon and egg, and we're going out down the lake to go closer to the land.
We're not too far up the lake, but got an intense headwind and some waves that we're just pushing through. So we just recorded our hole. We got here and didn't realize it was zoomed in. We're here. We won. The kids helped, and it stopped raining. Anything else, Miss Adventure?
Victory!
Woo! All right, Isaiah, day 3. This is fish number.
Oh, I saw jump.
You're winding too, Abby? See if it jumps again. Does it feel bigger than the other ones, Isaiah?
Yeah.
He's trying to get away. That's a decent one. We can keep him. You'd like to keep him?
Where is he? This way.
Nice to see you! Whoever's watching this video, you're missing out. You're missing out big time. I haven't drowned yet. It's progress.
How you doing, kids? We had to try again, didn't we?
Okay, I see long feet. Is that where we're headed?
We're going faster than we can paddle right now, guys, just so you know.
Oh, that road is going easy.
What do you think, Don Juan?
Angler. No, Johnny, this boat's called Angler.
We had measured success with the sail because the wind changed direction. So we're at camp. It's rained, it's been sunny, it's rained again. Just having dinner. And as you can hear the silence and the solitude, because the kids have gone to sleep. So there's that. Guess I've got another job to do now. It's a beautiful morning, isn't it? That's what I think. The dew, sun shines out, and we are having a fantastic breakfast. That's right. Donuts. This is definitely a trail recipe to have. It's hard to believe it's Monday already, and yet here we are, packed up and on our way back to the portage and back to our car. We've had rain and wind and beautiful sunshine. It's all in all been a fantastic success. Hey kids, have you had a good time?
Yeah.
Train, I can't take it anymore.
All right, we made it. That's it. That's all I got. I'm tired. We did it. All right. Yeah, everybody happy? Yeah. Okay, we're done. Thanks for watching.
I can't take it anymore.